I've got 1 kg of chicken wings here. I'm gonna add some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, corn flour, mixed dried herbs, vinegar, soy sauce. Mix everything. Marinate them or make them straight away. I'm gonna make them straight away. Take your air fryer basket. Place all the wings in the basket. These are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 or 25 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. I'm just gonna flip all the wings and I'm gonna cook them on the other side for 10 minutes. All flipped, in they go for 10 more minutes. A little bit of oil in a pan. Stir fry the garlic for just a few seconds. This is like a whole garlic. Not to burn the garlic. Once the garlic is a bit pink, I'm just gonna add peri lemon sauce in it. Cook this for a minute on very low heat. This is how the sauce will look like once it's cooked. The wings are ready. So I'm gonna put all the wings in there. Some chopped coriander. Coat the wings in the sauce.